Hey, good morning and welcome back. We are looking at South 3rd Street on our Graber Post building Skycam. Not too bad of a morning for those getting ready for school. Temps are going to be in the mid-50s, 54 in Terre Haute. Starting off partly sunny this morning as those clouds are going to increase throughout the afternoon. Now, right now, our current temp, we are at 51 degrees. Winds are nice and calm in much of the valley this morning. Champaign seems to be the windiest at about 15 miles per hour. Now, our current temps, we are in the 50s early this morning as we are going to hit the 70s this afternoon. On our satellite radar, this from the last 6 hours, you can see precipitation off to our west, breaking apart though, so we just have those clouds pulling on throughout the morning. However, we do have a chance of precipitation later this afternoon, quite scattered. So we are going to start off dry this morning, partly sunny with those clouds increasing, and then we do have a chance of some scattered precipitation pulling on in from the west for the next couple of days, but not a complete washout, and we are going to have those dry breaks as well. For today, our high, we are near 80, partly sunny with an afternoon shower likely. Tonight, we are going to hit lows near 60 degrees. And then tomorrow, check out our high as we are warming up. We are going to be in the lower 80s tomorrow, partly cloudy with more scattered activity likely, more of in the afternoon. Now, on our extended forecast, temps are looking great through the beginning of the week. Not bad throughout the whole week either, but we are going to drop down quite a bit from Wednesday to Friday.